Hey everyone, one electric bike that isn't designed to be your typical city commuter is the Jansno X60. It is unabashedly made for off-road aficionados and thrill seekers, suited for rough terrain and lengthy excursions rather than crowded bike lanes and subway commutes. Its dual motor arrangement, which can generate up to 1,500 watts of peak power, instantly distinguishes it and makes for torque-heavy rides with strong acceleration and performance, even on steep hills. Although it is electronically restricted to 25 kilometers per hour, it is technically possible to unlock it. The X60 creates a striking first impression in terms of structure and style. You'll note right away how big and heavy it is, about 4 kilograms, and that it's not a foldable fat bike. You can't transport this bike upstairs or put it in the trunk of your car. Transport is made more difficult by the fact that the front wheel is bolted on rather than quick release. However, the benefits of this weight and bulk include remarkable stability and stiffness of the frame. With its neat side panels and logo etched into the battery area, the bike feels really well made. Its 48 volts, 23 ampere-hour battery, which is detachable and key lockable, is among the biggest in its class. Up to 190 kilometers in pedal assist mode and roughly 70 kilometers in full electric throttle mode are claimed by the manufacturer. 50 kilometers and 100 kilometers, respectively, are more realistic in real-world testing. In any case, for a bike this size and power, that is still a remarkable level of autonomy. Using the provided charger, charging takes roughly 6 hours from empty to full. Its dual suspension system is one of its most notable features. The bike can easily manage potholes, ditches, and uneven terrain thanks to a front suspension fork and a precisely adjusted rear mechanical shock absorber. Consistent and shock-free ride comfort is maintained even on badly deteriorated roads. In addition to 20 by 4-inch fat tires, hydraulic disc brakes, which provide excellent stopping force and fine-tuning with easy dial adjustments, greatly improve the riding experience. A 7-speed Shimano system handles shifting. It's reliable and efficient, although the rider would have had more adaptability with a few more gears. The integrated drivetrain, however, shifts smoothly and is well-tuned right out of the box. You interact with a large horizontal display from the cockpit. It is bright and viewable even in direct sunshine. However, glare may be reflected by its shiny surface. You may either input the default 4-digit password or use one of the 2 NFC tags that come with the bike to turn it on by just bringing it close to the display. For even more ease, you can transfer the NFC tag to your smartphone. The thumb throttle is located on the right side of the handlebar, while the dual motor drive activation button is located on the left. With a retail price of €1,212, the Jansno X60 is not inexpensive, and it is definitely not for everyone. But it offers a strong package for riders who want strength, dependability, and the freedom to travel off the grid. It has grown to be a personal favorite due to the seamless integration of all the features, including the sturdy build, raw performance, and well-considered design rather than any one particular feature. It's a bike that forgets the road completely, not the kind you ride to the grocery store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.